Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I have something really fun to share with you guys, and that is a Simply Earth unboxing. I have been wanting to try Simply Earth for a while now, and I'm very fortunate that they decided to send me one. This video is not sponsored, but I did want to let you guys know that they did send me one to try out. If you've been a longtime viewer of mine, you know that I love essential oils. I normally use Eden's Garden, but I am always open to try new brands. I've tried Acacia and then some Marshalls and Walmart brand. I know they are not the best. So I'm excited to try out Simply Earth. And what's really cool about Simply Earth is they have a monthly subscription box. So every month they will send you 4 essential oils and then some things to make a recipe, and they will send you recipe cards on how to use your essential oils. This month seems to be like children themed, calming sock bun, bumps and boo-boos roll on. So it's really cool. I will share all of these recipes with you guys. And then on top of the normal monthly subscription box, they also sent me their big bonus box, which I am so excited about this. So, and I did want to let you guys know, if you wanted to try this out, they gave me a link and a coupon code. And this code, y'all, is amazing. So you will get a recipe box, the big bonus box, and then a $20 gift card to use for future purchases. So I definitely recommend checking that out in my description box down below. And the coupon code is NAOMIROSEFREE. So you'll just enter that at checkout. So let's go ahead and jump in. I'll start with the monthly subscription box, and then I will start with the big bonus box. So if you subscribe to Simply Earth, every month you will get a box that looks just like this sent to your door with different themes. Starting in on what's right on top, they sent some stickers for the essential oils. We've got some scented sensory rainbow beans, calming natural Play-Doh, calming sock bun, Simply Earth jewelry, Simply Earth fall fresh, bumps and boo-boos roll-ons. I have an essential oil for that. And then they give you stickers for the tops of the essential oils as well, which is really, really nice because you should store your essential oils upright. And then right after that were the recipe cards. So the first one is calming natural Play-Doh. You will need 2 cups flour, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, ½ cup salt, 2 tablespoons cream of tartar, 1½ cup boiling water, 10 to 20 drops of cypress essential oil, and Simply Earth Garden Learning Mat. So this one calls for the first essential oil in the box, which is cypress. And these are pretty substantial bottles. When I ordered from Eden's Garden, they were about this big. So these are quite big. This says that it's 100% essential oil. Add 2 drops of cypress per teaspoon of carrier oil. Oh, that's so nice. 13% to end human trafficking. I am a big advocate for stopping human trafficking. So that is really nice that you will be supporting that when you buy from this brand. Cypress smells really fresh and clean. And looking up the uses for cypress, it says that it can be used as an astringent, excessive perspiration, hemorrhoids, oily skin, varicose veins, and concentration. So cypress is a really good oil, it looks like, to keep around your house. The next recipe card is for scented sensory rainbow beans. For this, you'll need dried white northern beans, 2 pounds, 3 drops bumps and boo-boos blend, 2 teaspoons of almond oil, Ziploc baggies, food dye, and rubbing alcohol. This looks really nice for something for me to do with my daughter. So this is the blend of bumps and boo-boos. It has lavender, tea tree, lemon, and helichrysum in this blend. This is child safe for 2 years and above. It says bumps and boo-boos is here to jumpstart your body's natural healing process. So you would mix this with a carrier oil and then apply it to your child. I really get tea tree that comes through in this, and I do smell a little bit of lavender. It smells pretty natural. I like it. I can't wait to use this one. My daughter gets lots of bumps and boo-boos because she is not graceful like her mama. The next one is Fall Fresh Diffuser Blend. So it is cypress, bumps and boo-boos, and then cedarwood, which is our 3rd oil in this month's box. And this is Himalayan cedarwood, and I love the smell of cedarwood. It said, ooh, that smells so good. It smells very woody, fall. Let's see what the uses for this one are. So it looks like cedarwood has a lot of uses. It can be used for arthritis and nerve inflammation, eczema, insomnia, minor wounds, pain relief, hair loss, improve focus, memory, and symptoms of ADHD, which I do have. Heals acne. Your girl needs that. Natural deodorizer, natural insect repellents, relieve dry scalp, relieve congestion, stress and anxiety relief, So this has a ton of uses and it smells really good, perfect for the fall. The next one is the calming sock bun for the recipe card. For this you'll need 2 drops of the cedar wood, a clean sock, a hair tie, and then 2 drops of our last oil that we received this month, and it is tangerine. I love tangerine. I love any citrusy smell when it comes to essential oils. I just feel like they smell so fresh and clean and make your house smell really, really clean and get rid of any of the leftover dinner smells that may be left in your house. So citrusy ones are definitely my favorite, and I love the smell of this tangerine. This can be used as a calming effect, blood purifier, controls spasms, weight loss. Looks like a ton of stuff. You can also use this in any homemade cleaning supplies or on dryer balls or anything like that, and it'll make your laundry smell really fresh or your cleaning supplies smell really fresh. And then the last recipe box is a Bumps and Boo Boos roll-on. So you will need the Bumps and Boo Boos essential oil, carrier oil, and a roll-on bottle. And it says in a 10 milliliter roll-on bottle, add 7 drops of Bumps and Boo Boos essential oil. Top it off with a carrier oil of your choice. Close the bottle and roll it in between your palms to mix the oils. To use, apply the blend to tiny bumps and boo-boos to promote healing. So I really like that and I'm really excited to use that. And then along in this box came a little sensory beads, and this is for the jewelry diffuser recipe. Again, 3 drops tangerine with 3 drops bumps and boo-boos. And this will provide a citrusy sense and clarity of mind. I know Dee will love this, so I can't wait to do that with her. And then the last thing is just a tiny little amber bottle for any mixes that you want to make. So that's everything for the monthly subscription box this month, which is really, really cool. I can't wait to do all of these things with Dee. And again, if you want to try this out, everything will be linked down below for you guys. So moving on to the big bonus box, and this thing is huge. Simply Earth will send you one of these every 6 months when you subscribe to them, and it will come along with your normal monthly subscription box. So let's go ahead and dive into this one. I'm really excited about this one. So they send you lots of protectant when they send you these, so none of your stuff will be damaged. And just pulling right off the top, the first thing we got is the Simply Earth beeswax. And beeswax is great if you are going to be making any kind of chapstick or anything like that. It says it's 100% pure, sulfate-free, natural skincare, so I'm really excited about that. The next thing is just standard coconut oil, no preservatives, no solvents. So the point of the big box is to send you everything that you will need for future recipes, which is really cool and awesome. So you don't have to go and buy some of this stuff. I don't know how much beeswax is, but I assume it is probably kind of expensive, just like coconut oil. I'm excited about that. The next thing is fractionated coconut oil. So this is just a liquid form of coconut oil, and this is good for like roller balls or anything like that. I'm really excited that they sent this because fractionated coconut oil is kind of pricey, and I like that they sent both forms. So this one could be more for like applying to your skin, skincare, things like this, and this is just a standard carrier oil. So I'm really excited about that. This is 4 fluid ounces. This one is 6 ounces, and the beeswax is 2 ounces. The next thing is another carrier oil, and this is almond oil. This is sweet almond oil, and again, this is 4 fluid ounces. On this, they tell you like the botanical name, the extraction method, the aroma, consistency, color, absorption, suggested use. Wow, that's cool. I love that. They give you tons of information, so you are very well informed on where this stuff comes from and how it's made, which I really, really like. So the next things they gave are a ton of amber bottles for you to make your mixes. So it looks like they sent a lot of roller balls, which I'm really excited about. They sent 6 roller balls, and then they also sent 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blend bottles. That is everything you get in the big bonus box, which I really love. I think it's so cool that they send you one of these every 6 months along with your order. I don't believe it's at any extra cost. I believe they just send it to you. And so you will always have the supplies to make the recipes that they send you. I'm really excited for next month's box. I can't wait to do all these things with my daughter today, and I am so happy to be supporting a brand that is fighting human trafficking. So again, I will link everything down below if you guys want to give this box a try. You can cancel at any time. There is no contract or anything like that, so I definitely recommend at least giving it a try. And that's everything for today's video, guys. If you liked this video, make sure and give it a big thumbs up, as well as hit subscribe down below. I would absolutely love to have you here. If this is something you guys would like to see every month on my channel, where I get the box, I open it, we look at it, we do some recipes maybe, definitely leave a comment down below and let me know, and I would be more than happy to do that for you guys. So that's everything for today, guys. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here tomorrow. Bye!